First and foremost, thank you so much kasi nandito na kayo sa binyag ng aming pinaka-inaabangan na baby boy, si Amari, na almost 6 years namin hinintay bago dumating dito sa amin. Thank you, Lord, and thank you so much.
Through all the strong wind, what a beautiful night, dark like a new moon, still glowing with light. The days have gone colder, but there is a warmth when everything's empty. You deserve more, and I know, I can see all that you are,
God's love and gift.
all that you
Just
are.
like these two, Daddy Jerry and Mommy Jane, in God's perfect time talaga. In God's will and power, ang kanilang munting anghel ay dumating na. After almost 6 years of waiting, finally pinagkaloob na ni Lord,
I stand
and
looking
that is their Amari Zane.
How I wish you could stay, and I'd be your anchor. When light starts to fade, and there'd be no darkness to get carried away into the strong wind. How I wish you could stay. Tall trees, wild dreams, what to be. And I know, I can see all that you are, all that you are. What a beautiful night.
Bendisyon para sa ina kining aki. Bendisyonan ng kagurangnan ni ina na nagpapasalamat kan balaog na inako niya kay bakal sa iyang aki. Magdanay siya sa pagpasalamat sa Dios sulit ni Kristo na sa tong
What a
kagurangnan.
beautiful night. What a beautiful
Natin sa Espiritu Santo. Mga gura, ang rin ang mga nagatuloy ang sa atin.
I know, I can see all that you are, all that you are. You're a beautiful night.
Asin bendisyonan kamo kan Dios na makakamhan kanama aki asin kan Espiritu Santo.
You're a beautiful
Palakpakan po
night.
natin ang bagong Kristiyano.
You're a beautiful night.
It is with great joy and pleasure to welcome our dearest baby boy together with Daddy Jerry, Mommy Jane, and of course, Amari Zane. So lahat
This
po,
is a new
palakpakan.
beginning. Yeah, this is just a start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best
Sige,
part.
sino ka